Today we're going to program the Homelink garage door opening system in your new Macan. Now this works for all years of combustion engine Macan. Now the first step in the process is to make sure your car is in what's called position 1. This is where you turn the car over, it turns the car on, but the engine is in fact not running. The next thing you want to do is make sure the vehicle is in park. Now the first step of the actual programming process will be reach up to the upper console here and press the button, whichever one you want to program, and hold for about a second. You'll see this little blinking red light. Now, you'll take your garage door opener and head to the front of the car. So for this part of the programming process, you have about 5 minutes from the time you hit the button in the car until you program right here. You're going to take your garage door opener and put it in this general area on the vehicle and hold the button down. There we go. We've seen the blinking of the light that says that the vehicle is now programmed. So now, let's go program the garage door opener. Okay, so we're in the garage now, and we've got to do the part of the process where we program the garage door opener to the vehicle. You can do it here on the console, or you may actually have to hit the button on your garage door opener. We're going to use this particular pad here. I'm going to select Menu, and then we're going to go down to Program. And then we're going to go down to Remote. Now, it may say Remote, it may say Learn, it may say something along these lines. Be sure to check out your owner's manual for whatever it may say for your particular garage door opener. Now, we're going to go ahead and push Enter here. And now it's telling us to go hit the button on the car. You usually have about 30 seconds, so I'm going to head off to the car. Okay, now that we're back in the vehicle, we want to test to make sure our programming works. To do so, all you've got to do is select the button, and there we go. The garage door works. Your Homelink system is now configured in your new Macan.